Assalamu alaikum, guys. Now let's solve the question number two. So, question number two, it says a printer prints number in the sequence. A printer prints number in the sequence 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4, where each number n is printed exactly n times. So the question is you have what is the 5,000th number printed. Okay, so follow these steps to solve this question. What about step number one? Pay attention, guys. In step number one, you have to understand the sequence and its pattern. Again, you have to understand the sequence and its pattern. So the sequence is given as this one. So this is the sequence is given as 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 times, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then we have till this one where each number n appears exactly n times. Okay, so where each number n appears exactly n times. So what is the goal? What is the goal, guys? So what is the goal? The goal is to find the 5,000th number in this sequence. The question is, how can we find the 5,000th number in this sequence? So let's move to step number two. In step number two, step number one, okay, guys, this is understand the sequence and its pattern. So step number two, guys. So you have to determine the cumulative number of terms up to a certain number k. So this is how can be determined how which expression represents the cumulative number of terms up to a certain number k. We know that the total number of terms up to and including all occurrences of the number k can be calculated by summing the first k positive integers. So we have t of k equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus plus k equal k into k plus 1 over 2. So this represents what? This represents the total number of terms up to the last occurrence k. So this represents the total number of terms up to the last occurrence of k. Okay? So this is the total number of terms up to and including all occurrences of the number k. So this is how can we calculate the summing of the first k positive integers. Now let's move to step number three. In step number three, guys, step number three, this is the most important. So you have to find the largest k such that the cumulative sum is less than 5,000. So pay attention. So you have to find what? So 5, what is the 5,000th number printed? So find, let's say, find the largest, let's say largest k such that, the, let's say the cumulative sum is less than 5,000. So the shorthand notation of the statement, this is guys k. So a sum is less than 5,000. So this is the sum here. So k into k plus 1 over 2 less than 5,000. Okay. Now solving for k. So we have k into k plus 1 over 2 less than or equal, let's say 5,000. So multiply. So how can be solved for k? This one, so right over 1, cross multiplication, multiply the means and the extremes. So this is k into k plus 1 less than 2 times 5, this is 10, and we still have 1000. Now, by using the distributive property here, so multiply k with each term of this factor, this is k squared plus k, and then less than 1000. So you have to rewrite this inequality with 0 on one side. So this is k squared plus k minus 10,000 less than or equal to 0. So using the quadratic formula for an approximation, so in this case, this is 1, so which means A equal to 1, B equal to 1, and C represents which value? Minus 10,000. Okay, now K equal to what? This is negative B, and then plus radical, so B squared minus 4AC over 2. Uh, Okay, now substitute k equal to what? What about b? In this case, this is negative 1 plus, and then substitute b squared. B squared, this is 1 squared, this is 1, and then minus 4 times a, this is minus 4, plus times minus 10,000, this is a plus 40,000. Yes, so negative 4 times 1, negative 4, and C represents the value of negative 10,000. So negative 10,000 times negative 4, this is 4,000. All of them over 2 times 1, this is 2. This is 2a. Okay. So K equal to what? In this case, this is negative 1 plus 4,000 or 40,000 plus 1, this is 40,000, 1 over 2. So you have to approximate this value. So 40,000, this is 200. So, okay, this is approximation. Okay, this is approximation. This one can be written as 40,000 plus 1. And 40,000, let's say this is 200. 200 and the square root, this is 0.025. Let's say this is minus 1 plus 200.0025, let's say, over 2. Yeah, and this is approximately 99.50 or 50. Okay. Now, okay, in this case, uh, I don't care about this one, and no, you have to take because we take the integer part. So let's say k equal to what? 99. The integer part for this one. Now, what about step number 4? Now, guys, let's move to step number 4. In step number 4, you have to compute the cumulative sum for k. So let's take k equal 99 and k equal to 100. So compute the cumulative sum for k. So take k equal to 99. So here we have what? So this one goes here. So t 99 equal k, this is 99 into 99 plus 1, this is 100 over 2. So this is 100 divided by 2, 50. 5 times 9, this is 4,950. And what about if k equal to 100? So in this case, substitute t100 equal 100 into 100 and 1 over 2. So this is 100 divided by 2. This is 50 times 101. This is 5,050. So since 4,950 less than 5,000, so 5,000 and 5,000 less than 5,050. So my question is the 5,000th term is in which block? In the block of, so the 5,000th term is in of 100. Okay. We still have one step, guys. In this step, the most important step is to determine the position in the block of hundredths. So this is step number 5. So how can we determine the position in the block of thousands? Uh, let's write this one. The position, determine the position in the block of hundreds. Okay. So the number of terms needed into the block of hundreds is what? So let's say we have, this is 5,000. Okay. So this is the number of terms needed into the block of hundreds is 5,000 minus this one, 4,000. So 5,000 minus 4,950 equal to 50. Why? Since the block of 100, so the 5,000 term is in 100, isn't, since the block of 100, the 5,000th term is 100. So the 5,000th number printed is what? Is 100. So guys, I will re-explain step number 5 لأنه very tricky شوية. So I will re-explain the position of 5,000th term in the sequence. Here I will explain here, re-explain this one here. So the cumulative sum of terms up to number 99 is what? T99, we got this number. This is 4,000. So T99 equal 4,950. This means the first 4,950 terms, 4,950 terms cover all the numbers from 1 to all occurrences of 99. Yes? So T99 equal 4,950. This means the first 4,950 terms cover all numbers from 1 up to all occurrences of 99. طيب, what about the 5,000th term? The 5,000th term is beyond these 4,950 terms. So it lies in the next block, guys, in the next block. So which it lies in the next block, which is the block of what? So which is the block of 100. Why? Since each number n appears n times, the block of 100 has 100 occurrences of 100. So the position of the term in the block of hundreds is what? So this is 5,000 minus 4,950 equal to what? Equal to 50. Right, okay. The block of 100 contains how many? The block of 100 contains 100 identical terms, يعني all are hundreds. طيب, the 50th term in this block is 100. So thus, the 5,000th number printed is what? Is 100. Thank you, guys, and have a nice